there is one thing common between us, and that is curiosity to know how long does it take to design an online course. If you are looking to the answer to this question, then this video is for you. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. And let's start this video. Hi, my name is Fageriya, and the time required to set up an online course is actually depends upon 4 points, and the number one point that determine the time required for developing an online course is how long your course is. It is very important that how long course you are developing, the time will depend upon that, and we will take average duration of course and will tell you that how much time required for an average course. And the second point that determines the time required for online course is how many persons are helping you. Are you working as a solopreneur, or some family members are helping you, or are you outsourcing some services from freelancers platforms or the freelancers? And the third point that determine your time is how skilled you are, what work you are doing by yourself, and how skilled you are about that work. If you are editing videos and if you are not skilled in editing videos, then you may require long time. So that also determines the time required to launch an online course. And the fourth point that determines time is how much time you are investing daily. If you are investing 5 to 6 hours a day, then I will take it as an average, and if you are investing below than that, then you are below average, and if you are investing more than that, then you are above average, and you can decide how much time you will require. So what are the components of an online course? And I will tell you the time as per components, and you can calculate total time, and I will also tell you in the last of this video that how much total time you require to design an online course. So the number one component of an online course is research. Before launching your online course, before creating videos for online course, you have to do research, and that will help you in designing your curriculum, and that will help you in marketing your course. So the research is the very important part. In research, you can decide your niche if you are already not clear on your niche, and if you are clear on your niche, then you can research what points are to be included in your curriculum and what points are not to be included in your curriculum, because the curriculum of your course is the most important document for your online course. So please, before designing your online course curriculum, do research, do a good quality research. For that, you may require 2 days, approximate 10 hours. If you are investing 5 hours per day, then you can do research within 2 days. And this is going to determine how your courses is going to perform. So please do research well. And next component of an online course is designing curriculum. After researching, what you have to do, you have to design curriculum, what information is to be included at which place. Decide chapters, which chapter is to be taught first, which chapter is to be taught later on. So designing that curriculum, what information is to be included, which chapter is to be taught first, and which chapter is to be taught next. So for designing that curriculum, take your sweet time, and I am counting average time 4 days. Why I am calculating 4 days for designing curriculum is because all of the performance of your course, all of the results your student will get will depend upon your curriculum. If you are teaching a step in the first chapter that is to be taught in the last chapter, then your students may confuse and your students' result may hamper. So please take your sweet time and design your curriculum. I am taking 20 hours for designing curriculum for an average person. And if you are enjoying this video, please like the video and comment below if you are ready to launch your online course. And if you required any help from my side, then you can book clarity session with me. You will find the link in the description of this video to book clarity session. And the next is recording videos. This is also a very important part, very important component of your online course. Please set up your recording and record videos. You may require more time to record videos if you are not having video recording skill, but don't hesitate and don't give up. You will develop video recording skills when you start developing your online courses, when you start developing videos for your YouTube channel, when you start developing stories for your Instagram channel, then you will develop recording videos skill. And for that, I am counting 1 full week for recording videos for an average person. And the next part is editing videos. If you are not outsourcing your video editing, and if you are doing by yourself, and if you are average skilled, then you may require 10 days to edit 25 to 30 videos. And an average course should not have more than 25 to 30 videos. Ideally, it should be 15 to 20 videos, but I am counting on higher side to calculate the actual time required to design an online course or launch an online course. So for video editing, you may require 10 days. And the next part is setting up online school. Setting up online school is very easy because platforms like Spay and Thinkific are providing very intuitive drag and drop website builder, course builder. You can build your course within minutes. But if you want to build the best course, then you may require 2 days to set up your online school, set up properly, set up your website properly, put out the links that are mentioned in your videos, and upload some workbooks if you want to give workbooks, and update the thumbnails of your courses in your learning management system also, because that will insist your students to learn about that thing in the chapter. And if you are not updating thumbnails of your courses in your learning management system, then your course completion rate may be down. The average course completion rate for online courses is 5 to 10%. And if you want to increase your course completion rate, you must build your website properly, you must update thumbnails, and you must update description and the links of the chapters that are in your course curriculum. So that will help your students to take action, that will help your student to do homework, and that will help your students to complete the course. And if your students are completing the courses, then your course completion rate will be increased. And the next part is promoting. I am counting 5 days to promote your first online course. I am not counting this as a paid advertisement. I am counting this for free methods. You can promote your courses on Medium. You can promote your courses on LinkedIn. You can promote your courses on YouTube channel. So for doing that, I am counting 5 days to drive your first sale on your course. You may drive your first sale within 1 day, but I am counting 5 days to start off. So in this video, I have told you starting from 0 to getting your course first sale. So the total days from 0 to selling out is 30 days, and within a month an average person can develop an online course from scratch and can sell. And if you are happy that I can also develop my online course within 30 days, and if you are highly skilled in the skill that you have to use in creating your course, then you can reduce the time by 30 to 40%. So how you found this video, please tell me in the comment and share with relevant people. I get motivation if you share these videos, and if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it, and thank you for tuning in here. Best of luck for your first online course.